What's going down, people? Back at Driftland, and it's busy. I guess the nice weather brings out the people. We're in the green bomber again. This will probably be the last time that this is out, or at least the last time it's out for a while, because I've got the coilovers back for the Volvo, which you'll see in the next video. But the first port of call is to make it look semi like a car and put some headlight blanks in it, just so it doesn't look absolutely totaled. So I'm going to batter on with that first. Luckily, Jamie Summers, I will include his YouTube in the description. You can go and check out his channel, Sick M52 Turbo. Gave me some headlight blanks. So yeah, let's get into it. So we've got the old headlights out and the new headlights in. Tell you, it's amazing what a bit of fiberglass can do to your car. It's looks fantastic. The bonnet even opened and shut. It's got some fuel in it. We've got some tyres fitted. So let's go wreck some tyres. So on one hand, leaving your car at the track's pretty good, because then you don't have to trailer it or that, you just bring wheels. On the other hand, things that happen you can't fix, or things that happen you don't realise happen. Like the last time I came out, my radiator must have got burst, which is no surprise considering the front end got absolutely roasted. Yeah, luckily I've got a radiator. Well, a friend of mine's got a radiator, so I'm going to swap this once the water cools down. So we've got the new radiator back in. Big thanks to Kenny. And for anybody that works on E36s or E36 drift cars, or knows the pain of trying to bleed these, that is a pain. But we managed to get the old one out, and we managed to get the old one out of my radiator, so let's just hope this goes back in. dead. Engine's
That's a little scary.
So went out with a water leak, a very, very slight water leak, and it went straight into the red. So Kenny kindly lent me his radiator, and yeah, it was on the 3/4 straight away, like already too hot for what it should be considering I'd bled it. Went out, went straight into the red again, skidded it for a couple of minutes, came back in, it's toast. Head gasket ruined, standard issue BMW. As soon as you put them in the red, that's it, they're done. It's not worth putting a head gasket on it. It's not even worth putting a steel seal in it. It barely even starts now, so she's dead. I'll get my wee screwdriver. I can show you what I mean. Where is it? There we go. A little starty device. Got a lovely wee mess. You look at the water, if it'll even, nah, it won't even keep going. Both the cap and this are tight. She's cooked. So today's video, I've probably got about 2 minutes of driving, mostly in the pits. I mean, it's a perfect drift day really. That is drifting to a T. So couple of weeks we'll get the Volvo out, in between times we'll do some fixing. Yeah, take it easy troops, enjoy it.